Okay, so let's go to status, new file, read status.php. Require once. And simply put description from status, order by description, log it, and result equals odbc exec. Put in your connection, put in your query, and then while row equals odbc fetch array, get it from result, my array equals array, terminate, id, row id, description, row description, if is set my array else good word, echo true, error 0, if size of array is greater than 0, this thing is driving me crazy. Echo true, error 0. Otherwise, we just need to output JSON encode my array and then echo the output. Oh, that was weird. So now we're over here in the create bug window. You go back down to stores, create a new JSON store, and call this status. And then give it a URL in the proxy. So down here in data, status, read, status.php. You get some fields. They need to go in the store though. Let me get it down here. Status, need some fields. Add some fields. ID, description. Okay. Come up to our status combo box. And we'll give it a store. And we're going to bind to that status. And then we need to go to our fields. And display field is going to be description. Value field is going to be ID. We need to go back up to our status and give it a name. So our form can use that. Our category needs a name. Our name needs a name. I'm going to call this one title. And then priority, we'll give him a name. And then description, we'll give him a name so we can submit our form. Okay. And then after priority, we don't have a way to get a store for the priority, so here's what we're going to do for priority. We're going to come over here and say this is going to be an array. I wanted to show you this because this is pretty cool. So there's an array. So we're going to be like this. Our priorities are going to be low, medium, high, and red hot. How about that? So 1, low, 2, medium, 3, high, 4, red, hot. See what we got? Oh, and then we need to go back over to our form after render. And we're going to say me.get view model get store status. Load that guy up. Come back over here. We get a console open back up. We'll go bugs. Create bug. So when we got an error over here on something. Let's see what we got. I don't even know what that is. Categories were good. Looks like our store. Something wrong with our store. A proxy of our store. So let's go back. Status. Data status, read status. Okay. Let's see. Some bars are kind of hard to grab sometimes. Get rid of that guy. Come down here. And then put in our underscore. Save him. Reload him. Now, if you update your JavaScript, you have to reload your browser because it loads when the page loads. If you update your PHP, you do not have to update your browser. Create a bug. There we go. Our console does not show any error. I think it's like it does, kind of. We're still getting something weird here. I don't know what this is. Bug tracker. Let's go back and look at that other store again. See if there's something amiss about this store. Data.json store. Oh, that's really funny. It's a sort param, not a URL. Doesn't quite go there. I've never done that one before. It's beautiful first. I like that. It's cool. Create bug. To console. Network. What? Go back to our URL. We'll get the sort param thing in there still. Maybe causing some issues. Let's go see. Go back to our console. Refresh him. Create a bug. So read status. Review. Without column name. Description. Okay, we spelled it wrong. So PHP, select description, description, read status. We're on read status. Description. Okay, like I said, PHP, we do not have to edit anything. We're going to clean this out. We're going to clean this out. We're going to close this guy up. Open him back up. Okay. So we got status. We got categories. And we got priorities. Let's create one more status. We can do a special key on this one too. I won't cover that because you know how to do that. Add status. Bugs. Create a bug, and there's our statuses. Nice. Alright. Let's worry about submitting this guy next.